Hello everybody. It's your girl Taryn the Goat, the best female trader, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Surely guys, you can even see my mood. Obviously it's not a good video, obviously. This week has been hectic. Actually in my life I've never came across a week like this in the market and all of that. This week was a week of a lot of lessons and all of that. Never think you know the market. So guys, this week I took huge losses, huge losses. This week was just not for me. Okay, I hear other people also complaining about this week, but I wouldn't say it's just this week. Maybe it's the market change and all of that, but at the same time, I'll just show you all guys how many losses I took and around how much. I almost lost some accounts and all of that, but at the same time, what made me not lose the accounts, it's having a trading plan. So right now I'll just be discussing the importance of a trading plan. The importance of a trading plan is that it helps you not to overtrade. It helps you to be a disciplined trader. It helps you also to spot progress in your trading journey, and it's easy to spot the problems you are having if you have your trading plan and you are following it just correctly. So as it is not a trading plan video, I'll just be brief on what do I have on my trading plan, the most important things. With my trading plan, guys, I have my account size written down, the amount of money or percentage I'm willing to lose per day, per week, and once that is lost, I step away from the market. Step away from the market. And then also I have a target I want to reach, that I have to reach per day, that I have to reach per week. Once that is reached, also I step away from the market. I just don't keep forcing things and all of that. I try by all means to just, if I get to that target, whether it's a loss or a take profit, I move away of the market. And the other thing I can say about this week is that there were actually a lot of news in that it gave rise to the market acting however, because there was FOMC, CPI, okay, and some other news that I don't even take note of. The one that I lost in the most was CPI. Guys, I don't know what was happening this week, but that was not CPI. I don't know what was it, because with the people who bought, they also lost somehow. With the people who sold, they also lost somehow. I just don't know what happened. So yeah, on my side, I had sold NAS 100, and then the first spike sold when I was about to screenshot. You see the importance of content. Your content will leave you broke. When I was still screenshotting and recording, it's reversed and bought. So you guys, it's just an emotional damage, no lie. It's just an emotional damage, but we learn from our mistakes. Unfortunately, I get some content, I guess some content you won't get it, because I have to protect, guys. That is one of the lessons I learned. Don't be quick to screenshot or anything. I'll also show you my other students that had the same issue like mine, whereby they either bought or sold, and then afterwards, while they are still recording and taking screenshot, it's reversed, wabo. So it's always quick to protect. And the other advice I can give you about the most volatile news, which is maybe CPI, FOMC, make sure you have a stop loss in place and a take profit. I saw the importance of a take profit. Why? Because if I had my take profits in place during CPI, it would have spiked and took me out of my profits and closed, because it would have spiked to my profits, and then also reversed. I'll have had something rather than nothing. I would have had something rather than nothing. But at the same time, they say we learn from mistakes. This week was just hell of a week. It was just hell of a week. No lie, I've been down. I stopped trading on Wednesday. Because I was you know what? if I can continue trading, it means that I'll be losing all the accounts I have. Because as I said to you guys, that I'm not a broker type of person anymore. Since last year, I'm just trading funded accounts, or I should say I'm just trading challenges and funded accounts. So, and with the account I told you about last week that I passed, I'm still at phase 2, and I have to say I'm down big time. So I still have to recover, get that to break even, and then restart again. But one thing I like about myself, I never violated any rules and all of that. I didn't try fighting the market much, but I was hurt, no lie. I was hurt, broken. So yeah, guys, trading plan is very important. Have a target. Make sure in every single news you make sure you have your take profit in place. And if you not willing to risk a certain amount, or you're not willing to lose that account, just don't trade news. Just don't trade news. With me, when it comes to news, no lie, my heart will be beating fast. Something else. So I just saw it's either I should have my take profits in place, or rather I just don't trade news. But guys, without any further waste of time, let us just dive into what happened, and I'll show you some of my students how they did, and then yeah, peace out. Let's just do a quick recap of last week's analysis. Still the same analysis as I had said, that I was waiting for a retest and then continuation to the downside. DXY respected that. So what am I expecting now on the dollar index? I'm expecting price to play around right here. It will be covering this imbalance right here, and then after that, at the same time, retesting this level, and then from there we're still expecting a shoot to the downside till maybe this level before we even look for a breakout, retest, and continuation to the upside. Why? Because we would have already covered the 90% rule if price doesn't decide to come to this level. Let me just draw my trend right here. It will be something like so. It will be something like so. At the same time, I always like it when we wait for the market, we don't be forward for it and all of that. So if we get this, it'll be even much nicer. So this week I can say, or let me just say, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, there are higher chances that price can consolidate to this level, to retest this level and cover this imbalance, and then drop from here to complete our 90% rule, and then from there we expect a breakout, retest, and then a continuation to the upside. So as you spend more time on the market, you are able to know what might happen next. I'm not saying exactly this is what will happen, but there are higher chances of this happening. But without that being said, let us move on to the next pair, which is gold. Yo, gold, guys. Gold, guys. Gold is one of the pairs that I can say it didn't respect what we had in mind, as I had said that there are higher chances for price to continue pushing to the upside till our second take profits. In this case, we can just see that price is consolidating sideways. Price is just consolidating sideways. In price consolidating sideways, we can already see that um, price has managed to break this low right here, as it had failed many times to engulf this low. Here it has been able to engulf this low, and we are now below this trend. Therefore, there are higher chances for price to push to the downside. There are higher chances for price to break this level and then push to the downside, maybe till, all right, I don't want to enlarge this trend line, but in order for us to understand till which level, let me just go to my left. Yes. And if I'm enlarging my trend line, it will even correspond. So right here we can say we are expecting gold to push till this level. If it breaks this level, we're expecting price to retest and then push till this level, and then we can take it from there. If it fails and breaks back above, we are continuing with our buys. Let us check something on our daily time frame, because candlestick confirmation on daily time frames are super strong. On our daily time frame, what do we have? Looking at our daily time frame, we can say we are having an equal distribution between buyers and sellers. Therefore, let us just wait for Monday to end, and then we can take it from there. If it closes with bearish engulfing, just know that, guys, we are continuing to the downside. If it closes above, there are higher chances of pushing to the upside. Right now, it's just an equal distribution between buyers and sellers. And I don't think I'll be trading gold this week, as it is looking just like this. And then going to the Australian dollar, it has been behaving so nicely, super nicely. It hit our one, two, three, our third take profit, as I had said last week that I'm still looking for a push to the upside with the Australian dollar. Right now, I can say there are higher chances of price coming to retest this level and then continuing with a push to the upside, if it's going to push to the upside, or it can break below and then continue to the downside. In this case, though, I can say we are having a high impact of buyers in the market, whereby I can say the buyers are the one that are stronger in this case. The buyers are the one that are stronger in this case. Let me just reset my chart. After me resetting my chart, what do I have right here? I have this trend. Right here. We're trying to add 1 and 2 in order to understand where we're going with price. In order to understand where we are going with price. So with AUD USD, what are we expecting? We're expecting, as it has corrected right here, we're expecting maybe for price to correct till this point, or to correct till the trend line right here, as it will be covering the imbalance and retesting this break of structure right here, meaning we'll be hitting two birds with one stone right here if we can have price coming right here, and then we're waiting for a continuation to the upside. If it fails to engulf, if the next high fails to engulf this one, it simply means that we are pushing to the downside. Simple and straightforward. For now, I can say these are the pairs that I'll be looking at. I'm canceling gold. I'm canceling gold for this week. Thank you guys. We have came to the end of our market review and market breakdown. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So guys, we have came to the end of our video. As you saw, people were crying and all of that because of what they did. They were quick to take content and not protect their profits, so it just went the other way around. So, and the other thing, guys, don't mind my eyes, it has been hectic. Sleepless nights and all of that, trying to see what's going on, exactly what's going on. But everything is now sorted. It's just that I'm not getting enough sleep. That's why my eyes are like this. And thanks for watching the video till this far. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and tell me your opinion. What do you think about news? And then yeah, I'll make sure to take out more fire content. Nonetheless, this is Tyron the Goat, and peace out.